So in the last part of this talk, I really just wanted to turn to the question of how do we think about taking a technology that is certainly very powerful in the laboratory, and how do we think about turning it into a real application, and where is this going? And I think that if you think about what the challenges are ahead for using CRISPR technology as an application, whether we're talking about in clinical medicine or whether we're talking about doing it in agriculture or really any organismal system, we have to consider how we're going to deliver these editing molecules into cells or organs, how we're going to control the outcome of DNA repair, and also what the ethical challenges are for certain kinds of applications. And so I've been really advocating open discussion about this and trying to encourage scientists to get involved in this conversation and to invite in anybody else who wants to be involved in it and learn about this technology so that they can make informed decisions. Because I think it's not a question of when this will be used in human embryos, but I think it's a question of how and where and that sort of thing. And we have to really be thinking carefully now about this to avoid things progressing to a point where the science is racing ahead of what really is responsible use of a powerful tool. If you really think about it, that's really taking kind of our own evolution now into our hands, being able to make changes that affect future generations, and thinking now about how to ensure that type of technology is used in a responsible way. I don't have any easy answers, but I think it's incredibly important to be talking about it and trying to figure out whether we can have at least norms and a consensus that are respected by scientists around the world.